up, Team Curlew? This is Mo back with another video. Today the video is going to be about I miss my period. I want to see my husband's reaction that I miss my period. He gonna think we are having a baby, so let's see his reaction. I'll be right back. I miss my period, and I'm gonna tell my husband when he come upstairs. He just got off. I heard the truck just pull up, so I'm going to tell him and see what's going on and see what he say. Oh my God, I don't know what's like. I'm scared. I miss my period, so. Let's see what happened. I'll tell you what happened after that. Yes, girl.
Hey, what's up, Ma?
Hey, babe. What you doing?
Man, I just came off, man. For real.
Hi.
It's good. You alright?
Yes.
It was a long day.
It was? I got something to tell you.
What's up?
I miss my period.
You what?
I miss my period.
Okay, I talk about miss your period. Let me just come up, me just come away from miss period and me just come out. But like, me not touch it from me come out, from the quarter of vehicle, I just straight up as me come where you miss period. Anyway you put it, you must, where you put it? You must know where you put it, alright. You have to tell me where you miss period, you have to miss period and me just come out, me not touch it. You must know where, I just see a different day.
You know what I'm talking about?
Someone that come to me boy miss period, you have to know where you put your things them for. That's why I tell you all the while, say, you have to know where you put up, because you put up your things them, and when you have to tell me say you miss. Or if you miss the thing and then you just come out. Me there from morning, you gotta work and me just come.
Rapper, you know what I'm talking about? I miss my period.
What you talking about? What name's all your period?
You don't know what I'm talking about?
You don't understand what you say, Parry, because everything, if your things them, see me say your things them in a few place separate from my room. So me don't understand where you come with.
So, what is you looking for? What you looking for?
No, you see, you miss your period, so me I ever look for it.
You helping me look for my period.
What are you talking about, by the way? What are you talking about? Explain to me what you're talking about, because I don't understand what you're saying.
Are you serious? Like, you haven't... you just look under the couch?
Yeah, because sometimes you put your things them, you misplace your things them, and they go ask me for it. So I don't understand. I mean, they have gone to work for man, you just come.
So you didn't touch me. You don't know what I'm talking about. You didn't touch me or nothing. You can't find a miss period.
You didn't touch it, man. I said, what you talking about?
Oh my God. Now you about to make the patois come out of me. I miss my period. Do you understand?
What you call period? What you call period? What is a period? Oh, you look, where in there?
So you don't know what is it? You don't know what a miss period is?
You have to tell me. I don't understand what you're talking about.
Go look for it then. Go look for the miss period. Hey world, I miss my period. So everybody know what a miss period mean when they telling their husband they miss their period. But you can't tell me what a miss period is. So you really came in here looking under the couch, looking around, talking about a miss period.
Yeah, because you always they put your things them someplace and then they ask me for it. I say, because I work, me just come, me don't know where you put on the thing and you ask me for it. Then I must ask you where you think the bad man.
Oh my God, where in the hell in Jamaica you from?
Explain to you why you miss, why you look, what you mean? I'm about to say, explain it to me. You there, where we from, with this and that.
Because I can't believe you don't know what a miss period is. Go find a miss period then. Go look under the couches and see if you come up with a miss period. Because miss period is...
What is a miss period?
We having a baby.
And that the answer?
Yeah.
What you said to me, B?
So you was looking for a miss period on the couch?
I think I sit the way like when you put up on the dressers, you know, when they look sitting there, when they look sit where you put pet and put on your face, you know what I mean? You're pretty up. Come here.
Congratulations, we have a baby. You have me want a boy or girl?
Big boy, what?
So you want to bounce a baby boy? You want to bounce a baby boy?
Bouncy baby boy.
What you gonna name your baby boy?
Young Bongsa.
Why you keep kissing me? You happy?
Let me happy.
He having a baby.